The Fusion is a high-efficiency wood-burning insert from Supreme Wood Burning Products. It's packaged carefully to avoid shipping-related damages. In this video, I will show you how to unpack the Fusion insert, which components of the packaging are required for the Fusion installation, and how to assemble the circulating chamber. First off, we're going to remove the top bracket by unscrewing the 4 screws. This bracket is not needed for installation and can be recycled. Unscrew the 2 screws on either side of the metal crate. Unscrew the 2 bottom screws of the metal crate. Now remove the metal crate. This metal crate protects the face of the Fusion during transportation and doubles as the bottom of the circulating chamber. Bend along the perforated lines of the metal crate, frontwards and back, to remove the 2 side brackets. The side brackets are not needed for installation and can be recycled. This part here will be used as the bottom cover of the circulating chamber. Remove the circulating chamber by unscrewing the 2 screws. Remove the final bracket by removing the 3 screws. This bracket is not needed for installation and can be recycled. Let's go over the contents inside the firebox. The 2 screws and washers that were used to keep the Fusion secured onto the skid should be removed and are not needed for installation. The removable ash lip is an accessory that comes standard with all our products and is used to prevent ashes from falling onto the front of the hearth. The product label having the serial number is located at the bottom of the ash lip. The Fusion also comes with a pack of fire starters. We recommend starting fires in the Fusion with a full load and a fire starter, no newspaper. This box contains the blower speed control. It simply needs to be plugged to the nearest grounded outlet. The Fusion comes with 3 adjustable legs. The adjustable legs allow the adjustment of the firebox height if the surround isn't flush with the wall of the masonry fireplace. The contents of the brown envelope include the owner's manual, the inspection report, the Fusion door handle, the cold hand key, and the metal tag. The metal tag should be permanently secured onto the bottom cover. Ensure that the text of the metal tag is visible if the Fusion firebox were to be removed. Secure the bottom cover to the back wall of the circulating chamber. The hole of the stainless steel liner is adjustable by 2 inches. Secure the liner hole position by tightening the 4 wing nuts provided. The height of the circulating chamber at the rear is 23 inches, and the height at the front can be adjusted from 23 inches to 28 inches. Adjust the height of the circulating chamber to the height of the existing fireplace and secure the 2 wing nuts. Lower the side brackets of the circulating chamber. The width of the circulating chamber is adjustable from 32 inches to 38 inches. Extend the width of the circulating chamber to the width of the existing fireplace. Secure the width by securing the side brackets of the circulating chamber to the bottom cover using the self-tapping screws provided.